Since ancient times, ceramics act as a bridge for cultural and artistic exchanges between China and France. In recent years, communication between the two countries have been promoted by the Belt and Road Initiative. I'm now at Jingdezhen Wangrong Ceramics Company, where ceramics are designed by overseas designers and produced by the company.
Hello. Welcome to Wangrong Ceramics. The big objects we see now is also designed by the foreign designers. And you can see these are the spa items. They are designed by Edward Fonflet, a very famous designer in Europe.
It's very special. What's this?
It's a bathtub.
Wow!
I think the designers in different countries, they are inspired by the habits, the living habits and the environment from different country and from different culture. You can go inside the showroom, there are more interesting things to see.
Alright.
The ceramics you see now in this area was designed by the foreign designers and produced by our company. This set of the vases we see right now is designed by the French designer Norman Chapman, and some of them are already exported all around the world. The reason why we choose to work with foreign designers is to trying to find a new way to create with the ceramics, and also is a way for us to find a way to go out to the world.
My name is Norman Chapman. I live and work in the Netherlands. I'm partly French, partly Dutch. The Wangrong family's commitment to preserving traditional Chinese porcelain making techniques is something that I really admire. By seeing their work firsthand, I'm able to gain insight into traditional Chinese ceramic making processes that I can then incorporate into my own designs. I'm always humbled by my experiences when working with the Wangrong family, and I always leave feeling incredibly inspired.
From household daily use porcelain to art porcelain, from trade exchanges to teacher-student exchanges, the dialogues between China and France are extending.
Our university has developed long-standing cooperation with Limoges National Art School, which has welcomed a batch of French artists and overseas students. Hundreds of ceramic artworks have been created, among which these pieces of ceramic lampposts are the most special. They were created by several French students in the end of 2018. Two sets of ceramic lampposts were designed and made. One is placed on the street of Limoges City. The other is on display at the exhibition hall of International Ceramic Art Studio of our university. More exchanges and cooperation are expected to be seen in the future.
Since 2011, an international porcelain studio project jointly established by China's Jingdezhen Ceramic University and ENSA has continuously promoted the exchanges and cooperation between the two sides in the field of porcelain. The porcelain column beside me, co-created by the teachers and students of the two countries, has been standing on the streets of Limoges since 2018. As a witness to the cultural exchanges between the two countries.
我们跟里摩日国立高等美术学院之间的合作呢，持续了有将近10年的时间了。那么通过中法之间的这种学术上的交流、艺术上的交流、文化上的碰撞，我们希望能够擦出更多的火花。